Hello and welcome to day 7. Jeez, how did we get here so fast? Today we're gonna do a spinach artichoke Greek bowl. I'm very excited about it. Let's get started. So what goes in the Greek bowl? Let's talk about this. Number 1, we're gonna start with a couscous. I will show you how to make that soon. The beans, once you pot, the fun don't stop. We're potting again today. But I am not going to talk about what I put in that pot with you. Just know that it's basically butter beans and they're gonna be great. Then we're going to top it with so many roasted veggies. I don't know if you can even see. Look at how beautiful that is. Squash, tomato, pepper, olive, onion, everything good. I'm about to pop that in the oven. I've just drizzled it lightly in olive oil, some thyme, some salt, some pep. It's gonna be great. And then I'm gonna move on to the lamb. I don't always cook this, but when I do, it's delicious. Okay, so I whacked that sweet, sweet veg right into the oven. It's at 400 degrees. It's gonna crisp up, be super delicious. And now I'm going to work on my meats. I drizzled this with Worcestershire sauce. What I like to do when I'm doing something like a lamb, which is a little gamey, I go heavy herb. So I'm gonna use rosemary, I've got parsley, I've got my garlic, I've got thyme. And then, I don't know if everyone does this. This is just a really fun thing to me, is I chop it with the salt. It's so chunky and crunchy, and I feel like the salt's also getting infused into the herbs. I don't know if it's a real thing, but I really like to do it this way. So here we go, chopping all of my herbs together with the salt. I mean, this isn't table salt though either. This is like, kind of fluffy salt. You hear though? That's pretty fun. Now that I've made this really amazing herby blend with salt, as I'm gonna dunk my medallions into it. This is a lamb rib. Again, I drizzled it in Worcestershire, and I just do that. You can really just it's a 1-2. Let's try it again, just in case you don't believe me. 1, yep, 2. Ooh. I'm gonna 1-2 all these beautiful medallions, and then I'm gonna show you what to do next. Okay, real quick, stat check, 1:45 this morning. I mean, it was a weekend of festivities, and I had all the fun. I'm not giving up. I believe in the bowl challenge. I think I just probably can't take 3 days off of moving whatsoever. Okay, let's do these beans, shall we? They've been in the bean pot, getting so juicy and succulent. And now I'm going to prepare the gravy basically that it goes in. We did a little bit of this last time with the pink beans. A nice tomato gravy baked bean. That's basically what you're doing. But I will say that the kids really love it. Sometimes we'll go overseas and they have just baked beans all the time. And when we came back, the kids were that's all they wanted was baked beans on toast. I think we need more baked beans. They're very good. This is how we're going to do a baked, not gigante bean, but butter bean in a Greek style. What are we putting in here? We're putting in leeks first because I had a fridge full of leeks and I felt really bad about wasting them. So if you normally do onion, carrot, celery, that would be a mirepoix. What do you call it if it's kind of the same but different because it's a leek? Does anyone know? Zupengrün means green soup things. Anyways, that's what we're doing today, which is not Greek. It's actually German, but it doesn't matter. Okay, starting with that, leeks. Leeks are so good. Amazing. Gonna do our carrot, gonna do our celery. Gonna get this nice and sauteed. I'm gonna add some tomato, kind of like we did yesterday. I'm gonna add some oregano, the big beans. I'm gonna let them simmer. It's gonna be really good. Status report of the meal. My beans are stewing and basically a ratatouille, except it's Zuppengrün. They look good, they look happy. I'm gonna work on the meat. This has been sitting for a little bit. My 1-2 punch really is very successful, but now it's time to give it a sear. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sear all of them basically at once, and then I'm gonna flip them, and then I'm gonna pop them in the oven so that they can finish all at the same time. I guess you need to see it, right? Okay, I'll show you. Ooh. Looks kind of beautiful. Okay, quick heart to heart. I know we've been doing this for a little bit now. All of the food has been so good. I will say that that is probably the most unintentional aspect of this bowl challenge, is that everything that we've made has been so good. It's like a no leftover, all the kids are eating fourths. It's making me timid about trying these new dishes, because what if there's no going back? What if we can't come back? It's so good. All right, that's all. Okay, in hindsight, starting a fire wasn't the best idea, but we're moving on. I'm making couscous. This is pasta. Yes, you can have pasta in a bowl. I've got some broth going already right now. I'm going to add the couscous, and then I'm going to add my artichokes, which already have some oil infused in them, and that is going to be really delicious. Okay, so the lamb is ready to go. The couscous has about 2 or 3 more minutes. The gigante homage beans are also ready. I have my lovely vegetables. Ooh, look at those. I think we've learned a lot today. I think number 1 is try not to start fires. And, number 2 is probably Zuppengrün, which everyone needs to add to their vocabulary. I made also a tzatziki. Tzatziki. I made this yogurt-based parsley and cucumber dip. It was kind of on a whim. I just really wanted to eat it, and I was very excited about it. So I'm gonna finish her off right now while we're waiting for the couscous. I'm gonna add a little bit of my spinach artichoke. Hello, my sweet friend. Yeah, babe. Get right in there. I just think that these sauces and dips are so alluring. Look at it. It's gonna make the meal sing. It's gonna be so great. Okay, follow me next for when I put it all together into a bowl. Okay, I gave you fair warning before that we've been making very delicious food. Here are the gigante beans and our couscous. I'm gonna top it with our spinach artichoke, which is so good. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going straight in for all the vegetables. The squash, the peppers, the tomato, all the vegetables. It's so colorful, look at that. And then I'm adding my little medallion of lamb. I'm gonna add some of this tzatziki that has the spinach artichoke in it, but I'm also gonna add some more spinach artichoke, maybe on the other side. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Parsley. We got ourselves a bowl. Look at that. So scrumptious. I need more of that same bite. I'm gonna dig in deep. Oh dang. It's so good. I don't think there's gonna be leftovers of this thing either. So thankful for the bowl. So thankful for you. Have a lovely day.